Hello everyone, today we are going to open and build this Lego Batman set, the Batman, the Attack of the Talons. So this set has been long retired and managed to find a seller selling this under the retail price. So without further ado, let's just open up and start building. And here we are, I have finished building this Batman, the Attack of the Talons set. Even though we've got two Talon Assassins, the key thing of the set is really the bike. So without further ado, let's take a look at the bike now. To be honest, I'm not sure if I should call this a bike. Is a bike supposed to have two wheels, but this one have three, so it's not even a quad bike. I'm not sure if there's a particular name for this type of vehicle. You can see it's pretty big, but it's very common with this type of Lego set. It's a really big vehicle. If you place Batman next to it, you can see how big it is. I wish it's a little bit smaller, but either way, it's actually a pretty cool build because it's in a shape that you don't often see, which kind of give you a more unique building experience. I do like some of the new parts. Well, not necessarily new. It's when they were introduced in that particular period. We've got these Batman accessories. I never have any set with this type of accessories, so that is pretty cool to get them because they're really nice. They are all bat symbol. Even not within the set, you can use this in many other cases, and you've got a different types of Batarang, and I really like the one on the wheels, the small little bat shape. It does have a few stickers to give it a little bit more, exterior details. And you can see basically Batman will hold on to it and ride like this. You also get two stud shooters on this side, and it also works pretty well. And here are the three minifigures and the dog included in this set. So we have Batman with a very heavy armor, Ace the Bat-Hound, and also two Talon Assassins. First, we take a look at the two Talon Assassins. They are pretty much identical. There's nothing difference in terms of the torso and the head. The only difference is the accessory, one's with a double sword and the other one with some claws. It's actually a pretty nice minifigure. Kind of remind me the Kabuki twins from the Lego Batman movie series. But I'm not a person that know DC very well, so in terms of the background, I don't know, but just as a Lego minifigures, these are excellent. Next, we're going to take a look at Batman and Ace the Bat-Hound. Ace the Bat-Hound is actually two pieces. You got a really small cape here, and he's the only one with the cape, and is very similar to Scooby-Doo. That is actually two parts, and the head is a special head with the Batman logo and also the mask. In terms of Batman here, again, it's a very heavy armor. You do get the accessory for Batman, which is the looks like a sword or axe of some sort, and then you also got the shield, which are really nice. But one thing about this particular Batman minifigure is that if you put on his armor, you don't see all the details, which is really nice. So let's just remove the armor first. That reveal how cool it is for Batman because it's a very detailed printing on both the torso and the legs, and the pattern and design on it is very nice. And the other thing is the secondary facial expressions also pretty cool as well. So basically these masks are kind of broken, so it creates this particular effect which looks really cool. Unfortunately, because of the Batman helmet, you can't really see how it looks, but this is a pretty cool mini figure. And this is the attack of the Talon set from Batman theme. I think this is a pretty cool set. Original price was 50 New Zealand dollars, and I managed to bought this sealed brand new at 40 New Zealand dollars. Long after it's retired, it has a interesting bike and a very excellent Batman minifigure. Plus, the Ace the Bat-Hound here, which are all exclusive to this set. So it's definitely a cool set that if you can still get this in a reasonable price, I definitely recommend this one. And more importantly, this is the type of set you don't see that often because most of the time it's always Batman with Joker, Batman with Joker rather than like other different types of villain. Now do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.